Look at that. Countdown to reopening. Alright guys, so we were told the Fremont Street area was open, but the guy at Golden Gate told us not until next week. So we're gonna go down and check it out. This might be a little glimpse of the video. Colin's new RC car. He's worked hard to earn that money. Watch it burn, right? Anyway, it's cool. Hopefully the video turns out. It's a GoPro on that, if you can see. But we're yeah, it's all blocked off still. So I don't know who said it was open. It's not. Probably gonna put your car over there, drive it down. Alright. Give the security guard something to chase.
Yeah, not his bike.
Alright.
There's a security guard down here. We might be able to just be like, hey, $10. Like it's just.
I don't even have $10.
I did.
I don't have any cash.
Would you want to do that? Or no?
He's right there.
What?
So he's right there.
Oh, nice.
So they have the barriers down, like, still in front, but you can't go around any of it. It looks so crazy though. I like how it has the countdown on every single one of the little things, even the top of the board. And we got 4 queens. Colin's trying to smooth talk the security guard, so. We got 4 queens. Everything's lit up now. I think the last time we come, a few of them were not. It looks so weird. Right? Oh, he let him. He let him do it.
They just sent me a call about you, so no.
That was nice. A little bit of video.
I got a call.
Cowgirl up, Cantina. Customers only. You want to go down to the other side and ask the other security guard?
No, that was the most we're getting.
Alrighty.
We're the only YouTube channel with a view down that way.
Down towards the stage.
Yes.
That was cool that he let you do it.
Yeah, I was afraid about the range though, so I didn't go fully down. But I feel like I should have. Oh well. I just went like this speed down.
I saw. It was cool.
Look at that.
It was nice of him.
Whoa. This is so cool to me. I went ahead, I was like, so is there any way
You better get on the sidewalk.
that I can go ahead and like pull it just down and back? And he's like, sorry, I like my job too much. I'm like, come on, you can't just, you know, turn your head. He was like, well, are you gonna be on it? And I'm like, no, it's just an RC car. And I pulled it up. He's like, it was? Okay.
Guys in their RC cars, I tell you. So this is the only thing besides the security guard that has been over and down Fremont Street in the last month and a half.
That could do wheels.
It's pretty cool. We're gonna get a cop. Yeah, right. Paul?
Blue tire.
Is that what happened?
Yep.
Oh, you guys, look at it. Whoops, my shadow's in the way. He's done for the night. Poor car. Peace out, Vegas. We love you. Paul, car.